Do your Swann security cameras disconnect randomly? Don't worry, this is a very common issue, and I'll show you the real fix in just 90 seconds. First, check the power supply. A weak or cheap adapter is the #1 cause of random disconnections. Next, check your cables. Reseat or replace BNC or Ethernet cables. Loose or damaged cables can break the signal. To avoid random camera disconnections, use reliable and tested equipment. To buy these, use links from description. If you're using a wireless camera, check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Low signal or interference can cause disconnects. Restart your router and change the Wi-Fi channel. This helps avoid interference, especially on 2.4 GHz. Also, update your DVR or NVR firmware. Outdated software can cause connection issues. For advanced testing, connect the same camera to another port. If it works, your DVR port may be faulty. Most issues come from power, cables, or interference. If your cameras are finally stable, hit the like button and subscribe for more real CCTV fixes that actually work.